We're on. Hello, my name is Ivor with Technica and Blizzard, and I'm here at raceskis.com and the Ski Depot. I want to go over a couple of the changes we had this year with the men's and women's GS skis. We have 4 sizes in the GS ski. We have a 77, an 82, an 85, and a 92, all with a variety of different meter radiuses. All of our skis are considered World Cup skis this year. Phenolic sidewalls, wood cord, 2 sheets of metal with a torsion box wrap. The ability of this ski, the Blizzard GS, is that you have a nice vis plate on top so you can have your choice of bindings. Go out there and have fun and ski fast.